Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got this very late round wheel arch MG Midget 1275, finished in this striking red, sat on wire wheels. So it's a cracking little car, thoroughly enjoyable on test drive. Quite a bit of work's been done on the engine, so they're pretty quick little cars anyway, but this one is exceptionally lively. Just give you a walk around the bodywork. I've had a pretty good look around it, a couple of small marks, but overall very solid car. Installed some time ago, so it's unlikely that anything will appear over time. Quite rare now, these late round wheel arch cars, quite sought after. Echoes the lines of the original Frog Eye Sprite that had the round rear wheel arches. All the badging's presently correct. Black sills with the little midget letters and the strip, stainless steel strip, are all correct. Good set of tyres on the car as well. Really is quite a pretty little thing. Looks like the interior's been retrimmed at some point in the past as well. So it's got these black covers with red piping. All as it should be, including the centre console and a period radio. You can probably see the oil pressure on tick over is very good indeed. Hood's all good. Got a full tonneau cover there, looks like a short tonneau as well. Fully carpeted boot, which is nice to have. Smart flip top filler cap there. A period motor litre wheel. So, all in all, a really attractive package and a very pretty car altogether. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage. And thanks for watching.